In an America long defined by speed, scale, and spectacle, a quieter form of luxury is emerging. One shaped not by excess, but by intention. Parisian elegance meets Scandinavian restraint in homes designed to slow the rhythm of daily life. These spaces are not built to impress at first glance, but to endure, to breathe, and to restore. This is not a trend, it is a redefinition of how luxury is lived. The story begins at the façade, where Parisian symmetry meets Scandinavian calm. Limestone walls stand with quiet confidence, softened by natural light and disciplined proportions. Tall black-framed windows reflect restraint rather than display, while subtle iron details nod to European heritage. This entrance does not demand attention, it earns it. In America's evolving luxury landscape, the front view becomes a promise, a home designed for balance, permanence, and presence. Inside, the living room unfolds as an exercise in intentional openness. Scandinavian minimalism clears visual noise, while Parisian refinement adds soul through proportion and art. Natural oak floors ground the space, linen seating invites pause, and light becomes the primary luxury. This room is not staged for guests, it is designed for living, for conversation, for stillness. Here, slow living becomes architectural truth rather than abstract ideal. The master bedroom is a retreat shaped by quiet discipline. Soft taupe walls, layered linens, and restrained furnishings create a sanctuary free from urgency. Parisian elegance appears in symmetry and texture, while Scandinavian influence removes excess entirely. The room encourages rest not as indulgence, but as necessity. In redefining luxury, this space proves that comfort is not loud, it is precise, deliberate, and deeply human. In the kitchen, function becomes art. Clean Scandinavian cabinetry merges with refined European proportions, creating a space that supports ritual rather than rush. Stone surfaces and matte black fixtures introduce contrast without dominance. This is not a kitchen built for performance, but for presence, for preparing meals slowly, sharing them fully, and honoring daily routines. Here, American living softens into something more intentional. The mezzanine offers perspective, both literal and emotional. Overlooking the living space, it embodies Parisian loft character refined by Nordic restraint. Light oak, black steel, and curated shelving create a pause between levels of life. It is a place to read, reflect, or simply observe the quiet rhythm below. This transitional space reinforces slow living by honoring moments between moments. The bathroom transforms routine into ritual. Natural stone, soft lighting, and sculptural simplicity create a spa-like atmosphere rooted in Scandinavian wellness philosophy. Parisian elegance appears in restraint and proportion rather than ornament. This space encourages restoration over efficiency, proving that luxury today is measured not in size, but in how deeply it allows one to exhale. The front yard extends the architectural philosophy outward. Structured greenery references Parisian formality, while natural spacing reflects Scandinavian respect for landscape. Nothing here is ornamental without purpose. The approach to the home slows movement, prepares the mind, and transitions life from public to private. In America's reimagined luxury homes, arrival itself becomes an experience. Above it all, the rooftop offers quiet elevation. Minimal furnishings, natural materials, and open sky create a refuge from overstimulation. Scandinavian outdoor living meets Parisian urban sensibility, proving luxury does not require extravagance, only clarity. This space exists not to entertain endlessly, but to observe sunsets, seasons, and silence. The working room redefines productivity through restraint. Clean lines, natural materials, and controlled light reduce distraction and restore focus. Parisian intellectual heritage blends with Scandinavian clarity, creating a space where work supports life, not the reverse. In slow living design, efficiency is measured by peace, not output. Microhook, focus thrives where chaos is removed. The backyard completes the home's dialogue with nature. Seamless transitions between interior and exterior dissolve boundaries, encouraging presence over performance. Wood, stone, and greenery work together quietly, offering space for reflection rather than display. This is outdoor living reimagined, not as entertainment, but as restoration. Parisian and Scandinavian luxury homes are redefining slow living in America by challenging what luxury has long been. They replace excess with intention, speed with stillness, and status with substance. These homes are not built to impress the world, but to support the lives lived within them. And that is the future of American luxury.